we have 100 grams of powdered sugar here that I put through a sieve so that I could get the lumps out. And I would like to put in just a small amount of vanilla, real vanilla extract. But I just want a small amount because I don't have the white vanilla and I don't want my icing to look too dark. So now we'll put in some whole milk. You can also use real cream if you'd like. Just put in a little bit by little bit and mix it until you get the right consistency. I want it to be just a little bit thicker than a glaze. That's looking pretty good. Try to get any lumps out. Okay, that was 21 grams of milk to 100 grams of powdered sugar. Okay, we added about 21 grams of milk to the powdered sugar. The powdered sugar was put through a sieve to get rid of any large lumps. And I added just a very small amount of vanilla because it was the dark vanilla and I didn't want my glaze to turn a dark color. So it was about 2 grams of vanilla. So beat that up really good. And I wanted it just slightly thicker than a real thin glaze. I'd like a medium glaze, something that I can drizzle on, but you can see that it's not clear, it's not see-through. So let's go ahead and glaze our cinnamon rolls. Doesn't that look beautiful? Cinnamon rolls are universally loved. They're just so inviting, so comforting, such a comfort food. What's better than a nice cinnamon roll and some hot coffee for breakfast? Okay, that looks beautiful. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of powdered sugar across the top. Makes it look kind of festive. Like it got snowed on. There are our finished cinnamon rolls. So let's go ahead and serve our cinnamon roll. There's our beautiful cinnamon rolls, ready to eat.